Our excited guests received a warm welcome by our NY ambassadors as they reached the vibrant gates of Nanyang on Open House Day.
Hi there, why not go for our tour?
Our curious guests were enlightened by our friendly tour guides as they took a walk around the school together.
Oh, we're back. But wait, our principal, Mr. Pang, will share more about Nanyang soon. Come, follow me.
Mr. Pang emphasized that NY stands out for its exciting range of subjects and combinations, along with countless opportunities to explore new interests.
There are also some other subjects that are only offered here. We try to support the interest and passion of students as much as possible.
Yong Ning also shared about her #WhyNY moments, encouraging students to make their NY story a memorable one.
In Nanyang, you'll really find this loving community that almost feels like a second home.
One of the many reasons why you should say yes to NY is for the plethora of CCAs offered here. Let your inner athlete shine through our exciting sports CCAs.
Check out our performances. Wow, aren't they so talented? Come, let's take a look at their moves.
What makes NY unique? Well, did you know that we have more than 30 interest groups started by our very own NYJCians? Here's what the members have to say.
Okay, so tell me more about your SIG and what makes it so unique.
Yeah, so we are NY Threads. We focus on bracelet making as well as embroidery. So last year for Teachers' Day, we actually made 130 handmade embroidered keychains for every single one of the teachers here in NYJC with about 25 volunteers. And I think that was one of the biggest projects that we did last year.
Okay, so tell me more about NY Red Cross.
So NY Red Cross is our first aid CCA where we teach you more about first aid skills. It is an essential life skill to have since you can help out others in need. We also have many volunteering opportunities. Can you elaborate more on them?
Sure thing. One of our volunteering opportunities is the First Aiders on Wheels program at East Coast Park with Singapore Red Cross. In this program, we cycle around East Coast Park and provide first aid to anyone who is injured.
Come to NYJC!
Well, that sums up our Open House 2025. We hope that you make Nanyang your second home.
This is our Nanyang story.
And this can be yours too.